Common sentences in English. Common sentences in English. Short of time. Short of time. In my humble opinion. In my humble opinion. Why do you ask? Why do you ask? What do you think? What do you think? Are you thinking? Are you thinking? Thanks in advance. Thanks in advance. I have many tasks today. I have many tasks today. I will be late for the meeting. I will be late for the meeting. I enjoy playing football. I enjoy playing football. I am a lawyer. Am a lawyer. I am a programmer. I am a programmer. I am a doctor. I am a doctor. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Express your opinions. Express your opinions. Advise me what I should do. Advise me what I should do. Trust me, I can do it. Trust me, I can do it. I'm really ashamed of what I did. I'm really ashamed of what I did. I'm off. I'm off. My hobbies are reading and swimming. My hobbies are reading and swimming.